Welcome back to our channel, Dave and Rose Travels. In this video, we take you along with us to our room at the Beach Palace for a beautiful room tour. So make sure you stay tuned because this video is going to be a must-see.
Okay, let's check out the bed. It's fancy.
Dave and Rose Travels. Make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget that notification bell. And like that, we're getting our room keys activated for our superior deluxe ocean view all-inclusive room.
For you?
Wait a moment, if you haven't seen our last video where we arrive at the Beach Palace, show you the check-in process, then take you along with us to the lunch buffet. This video is a must-see, so make sure you watch it. And here we have it. The Superior Deluxe Ocean View Room, all-inclusive. This was our first time to stay at the Beach Palace. And our first time at a family resort. And unfortunately, guys, I didn't realize that I was on my way to becoming extremely ill. Can't go wrong with a full-length mirror. Hello, I am Rose with Rose Travels. Beach Palace. Get ready. Comes with a dryer and a straightener. Robes. Slippers are yours. This fanciness. In case you need booze. Look at this.
Okay, let's check out the bed. It's fancy.
My name is Dave.
And my name is Rose.
And we are Dave.
And Rose Travels.
And we made it to Beach Palace in Cancun. And check out our video to see what you think.
We're going to be posting a video here soon about the room tour and the resort tour. And right now, we're going to go upstairs to the rooftop pool.
Eventually.
Make sure you stay tuned for our upcoming video because after the room tour, we take you upstairs to the beautiful rooftop pool. We give you a little mini tour of the rooftop pool gym. And we take you upstairs from the rooftop pool to the rooftop viewing deck. Then after the rooftop viewing deck, we will take you downstairs to show you what the beach looks like at the Beach Palace. let me take a moment to talk about our channel, Dave and Rose Travels. Been trying to grow our channel, so make sure you're subscribed. Maybe give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you're notified when I put another video out. And remember that subscribing is the way to see upcoming content from our channel.